Not in a lab test, not in theory. On actual tasks, emails, spreadsheets, research, decisions. And it beat us. The human baseline was 72.4%. The AI didn't just match us, it surpassed us. On tasks like yours. It's about white-collar work, the kind of job that was supposed to be safe. Writing, analyzing, deciding. That number is growing every month. And for legal research, financial analysis, and content work, the disruption is already here. AI being better at tasks doesn't automatically mean your job is gone. It means your job is changing. Fast. The question is whether you change with it. They're not competing with AI. They're directing it. They became the ones who give AI its orders. The real question is, are you the person who uses the AI, or the task the AI replaces? Subscribe. Because this story is just getting started. And the next update will change everything you think you know.